Today the point was the equation. Equation means how Italian market, residential market, is changing from build to sell to build to rent. The concept of equation fits quite well into the current context. There are many variables that are changing. It is clear the market is moving from build to sell to build to rent, but still there are so many things moving on and changing, coming from macroeconomic environment, demographic trends, interest rates, construction cost, demand, affordability, a lot of things that needs to be put into the formula to find the right equation and to find the result of that equation. Takeouts are that there is a lot of potential in the Italian market, potentially very strong demand. We need to attract capital which is appropriate when considering build to sell, a bit less opportunistic capital and more patient and long-term investors. We have to unlock many things, unfortunately. That goes from availability of products, finding proper investors for proper products, moving from typical locations like Milan and Rome to other locations that are spread out Italy, that may offer even higher yields compared to big cities, given lower construction costs and potentially more demand. Ultimately, it would be great if we would be able to succeed in expanding the build-to-rent market, not only for investors, but also because one of the things that came out today is that build-to-rent is also able to have a social impact. We are discussing about affordability of houses. Population is no longer able to buy houses, but still need to have a house. And the build-to-rent can be a response to the fact that when affordability is not allowed to buy, taking an apartment and as a tenant and not as an owner could be the solution. We are waiting for regulations to be changed. They are actually making things a bit less difficult, or at least they are making the timing for investments too long compared to the usual timing that an investor would like to wait for the investment to be completed. But still, I found quite a positive feeling in the panelists, and the view is generally, the outlook is generally good. There is so much capital waiting to be deployed that probably it's up to us, to the system, to the country, and also to the political action to find the proper points, the proper keys on which we can work to actually have it exploded and up and running quite soon, hopefully.